Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear theme and collecting assets, emoji strings, correct answers, and a simple answer key. Once done, arrange 10 to 20 rounds. Shorter quizzes keep players engaged. Make sure to choose between timed rounds or multiple choice prompts because that decision shapes pacing and difficulty. You should also pick a delivery platform early. It affects file format and interactivity. Finally, prepare one test round so you can see how emoji ambiguity affects solvability. You now construct each round. Combine emojis into a clue that strongly suggests a single answer. Avoid overload and contradictions. Once a batch is ready, tag difficulty levels and draft hint lines for each tier because hints rescue stuck players. Make sure to standardize answer formatting, caps, punctuation, abbreviations to simplify checking. You will also wire the input method. Set up chat parsing, form fields, or button choices, and test one complete round to confirm scoring and flow. You finish by playtesting with a small group and noting any ambiguous or too easy rounds. Once feedback is collected, balance scoring and timers so rounds feel fair, and add reveal animations or corrective feedback to keep engagement high. Then package your quiz for the chosen platform and run a final end-to-end test. If things go wrong, players misinterpret clues, swap problem emojis, or add an explicit hint. That single tweak fixes most confusion and preserves gameplay flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.